lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this Valentine's Day inspired Douyin makeup look. This is the photo inspiration, and let's hop right into the tutorial today. I am going to be wearing Lenstown Romantic Gangnam in green style. For today's look, I am going for the straight brow look like always, and then I'm just going to take this brow tint pen and I'm going to just create hair-like strokes just to further the straight brow look. Using a primer, I'm just going to use my fingers to pat that into my skin. And I'm just going to take my foundation mixture and just apply that over my skin. And then go in with my triangle beauty blender just to go through and blend that out. I said it's a powder puff. And then I'm taking my concealer. It's the same color as the foundation. And I'm just adding a little extra coverage and first going in with the fixing spray just to prep it. It just makes the blend of the concealer so much better. And that's kind of my preferred method at this point. So going in with my liquid blush, I'm going to place that over my cheekbones as generously as I can and over my nose. And I'm going to use it to contour the sides of my nose a little bit. And then I'm going to use this beauty puff to blend that out. And I basically just kept adding layers till I had the desired amount that I wanted. And I wanted it to be very heavy because this is, again, Valentine's Day. And I'm going to go in and lightly contour the sides of my jaw, under my cheekbones, my lip, and my forehead. And I like doing that because it makes the lips look fuller. And then I'm just going to go in and set it with loose setting powder, and then go in with my pressed powder foundation just to add a more natural look. So then I'm going to take this nice baby pink color and I'm going to use that to just go over everywhere I had put that blush earlier. And I like this method better than using actual blush because this eyeshadow is so pigmented. And I'm just going for like flush Cupid vibes. And then I'm going to take that same shade and I'm going to apply it all over my lids and fan that out on the outer corners. And then take that again, that same shade, and work it onto my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a bright pink glitter and I'm going to work that over top of that just to give that under eye bag effect. And then work this glitter on my lid, on my inner corner, and then my lower lash line. It's so pretty and glittery. And then just use my finger to blend that out. And then I realized in the photo she had glitter on her cheeks, so I just added some to my cheeks as well. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of eyeliner, just a tiny little wing. And then I'm going to go through and make the sort of like dots that are going to be the outline for the hearts. And I have a pretty simple method of doing that. I just use my concealer just to create the heart shape. And then you're like, well, that might be too much concealer. I kind of solved that problem and I use my powder puff to sort of get rid of excess concealer. And then I'm going to take my white eyeliner and I'm going to go through and just outline the hearts like she has in the photo. Really adorable. I'm really concentrating hard here. So I'm going through and curling my lashes and then adding my favorite mascara just to my bottom and my top lashes. And I'm going to use these tweezers just to sort of pinch the bottom lashes together and then apply my favorite falsies. I'm going to link these down below. And then last but not least, I'm going to use this sort of like baby pink all over my lips, stain it with this more dark red color, and then go in and blend that out with my finger. And then last but certainly not least, take this gloss and I'm going to apply that all over my lips to create this sort of just bitten glossy look. And that is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and seeing how I recreated this very beautiful Valentine's Day look. Head over to my IG where you can follow me and you can be the next person to decide the makeup look that I do. I am going to be doing a Valentine's Day series over the next 15 days. So please stay tuned and I hope you guys look forward to the next look. Bye!